Whether you bill by the hour or just need to understand where your time goes, FreshBooks Time Tracker is built for you. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can track time right from the Time Tracking section on the website or using the excellent FreshBooks mobile app. Click the play button to start a timer for a specific client and project. When you stop, the entry is saved. You can also add time manually. The key is to assign every time entry to a client and a project. This links the work directly to the job it's for. My crucial pro tip? Use the timer for real-time accuracy, even for fixed-price projects. Running the timer keeps you honest about how long tasks actually take. This data is priceless for estimating future projects more accurately and improving your profitability. Understand your most valuable asset, your time, and bill for it accordingly. Do you use a timer or do manual entries for time tracking? For more guides on profitability, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.